Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in your albums on your VIVO X300. So basically, if you have some private pictures and you want to hide them from anyone, I'll show you how to do it. So open up your albums and get the picture you want to hide. Click on More and click Hide. Don't remind me again. This as well. And this too. And to check up your hidden photos, click on this button right here, go to Settings and scroll down here to Hidden Photos. So, as you can see, all the photos are here. And if you want to unhide them, select all the photos and unhide. So, and one more feature, if you want to make it more secure, you can set the privacy password on your hidden photos like this. Now add the photo again. Insert the password, go to Settings, go to your hidden photos, and as you can see, I'll need a password to open up the hidden photos. So, like this. So, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.